Hello folks, welcome back to another episode. Right, I'm here with a friend of mine in the Hyde area. As you can see, we're going into the little forest and we're going to put this amazing box up. I'm gonna tell more about it in a minute. So we're gonna need to find a good place for it. It's for the pine marten, FYI, and yeah, hopefully everything goes smooth. Weather isn't the best at the moment, so we're trying to do everything as quick as possible. Yeah, so we're nearly there. I really hope it will work out. I tried to wait a little bit longer, but the rain haven't stopped and it's forecasting for another week, so we can't wait for that because it will be soon spring then if we wait for the Irish weather. But anyway, we're here, we're going to choose the tree and we're going to put up. This is safe, yeah. So we're gonna put it right here. Back in the days, I'd say kids had kind of same school bag like this. I'm like, oh man, this is brilliant. Oh, brilliant. I'm gonna drop wires I'm gonna bring home.
No,
Okay. Oh, snapped. Shite. Aye. Right. Wire number 2. Right. That's actually solid. This is solid. Yeah. Right. He's got his stays. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna put just sticks in here, you know, to make it stronger. That tightens it up. Maybe. Oh no! Look at that. Woo! That's up. Let me show you guys. So, I'd say this is 4 meters, isn't it?
The height?
Yeah.
Oh, easy, yeah.
Yeah. So. Okay, let me show you guys. Hold on. Right. I'm not sure if you can see. There it is. Nicely, a good height for it. So, yeah, at least 4 meters anyway. It's quite secure. It's not moving. So, yeah, I'm gonna go get some straw to put into it, and hopefully he will come. I'm gonna set the trail camera up, and should be just good all the way up there. Okay guys, so I'm just back at the height. I quickly went and got some fresh dry hay that I'm going to place into the box. So I'm just going back to the place, and then I'm gonna show you. I really hope it works out. So it's around, so my height is just there, and this place is more dense where the box is, and it's around, Jesus, I'm very bad with meters, but I'd say a good 40-50 meters away, so I won't be disturbing the pine marten eventually when or if he nests in it. So look, I'm here. Let me show you guys. Oh, hold on. It's up there. So cool. Ah, this is brilliant. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go up. I place that in, and then that should be just perfect. I'm gonna also go quickly, then come back again and get and I'm going to have to put the trail camera up, but I just don't know where yet. We'll sort this out, but it's getting dark, so I have to hurry. Okay, my friend's gone, so I hope the angels are with me and someone holding the ladder, because if I go big. Right, let me just quickly secure this camera. We're gonna put the hay in. Fresh, dry, very dry. Okay, let me show you guys. brilliant. I'm not gonna put all the hay into it because I'm not sure how much he would like. So I just bought a little, and then what I might do, I leave this hay just really down below at the tree, and if he likes it or he wants more, he can bring some up for himself, I'd say. Okay, let's close the lid and then we'll go get down. Okay, time to go. This here, it really is solid. So let me show you how actually it works. So the hole, it's quite a big box, and as you can see here, there is a hole, and literally on the other side of it is a hole too. So he can go in from this side and from this side. Then he climbs up, and there is a middle kind of department where basically there is no hole, and he can be really nice and comfortable and warm. So it's a really nice design, and I really happy that I had this made. Let me just get down. I hope, by the way, that the audio is good. But yeah, so the box is up. I'm gonna now do the last thing. I'm gonna set the trail camera up. I still have to find a good spot, and I don't know where I'm going to set it up yet. But anyway, yeah, so I had this in my mind a long time ago, and I've been looking at pine marten boxes, and they are really quite costly. It's 150, between 150 or 180 euros. So I have a very good friend of mine where I train. Shout out to him, and if you watch it, I really appreciate it, and thank you to your father for making this amazing box. Now this person, Mr. Tom, he literally didn't take any money from me, but he just asked me to gift him a print of mine that I took a picture of a kingfisher. I'm very proud of this because finally actually my wildlife photography is literally giving back for wildlife. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk any longer. I'm gonna get out from here, but I still need to set the trail camera, so let's go. Okay, it's really wet. It's been lashing for many days, absolutely wet, everything. But I'm gonna quickly change the SD card, and then I'm gonna try to find a place. By the way, I'm not sure if it interests you, but I so far only using Browning trail cameras. I have a review on one of the models, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know that so far this is what I've been using. Now they are a bit but they are reliable. So yep, as you can see, I have used before, and many, well, not many, but a good few makes, and they gave up some of them after a month. One of them lasted for 5 months, so that's not good, and they still cost half a price or nearly the same. So yeah, just FYI. Right, that's all set. SD card is in it, so let's go. Okay guys, it's getting really dark, but let me show you. I hope it's okay. It's a bit close, but there was no other way to put it up, so please God it works. Okay, let's get out from here. Okay folks, so as you can see here, it's really getting dark. The wind is picking up and I need to get out from here. So everything is done, everything is secure, so please God the pine marten will nest in it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post this video up on YouTube, but if there is a pine marten eventually, I will make sure I leave a comment and I'll pin it so you guys can see the update on it. And perhaps if I have few good footages, I eventually put that up too. Thank you so much for watching and I see you guys around. Ahoy, ciao.